Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If your account on Instagram is public right now and you're wondering how can you make it private, you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you make your Instagram account private. All you need to do is to go ahead and follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Let's go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, go ahead and search for Instagram, and let's make sure we have the Instagram app updated to the latest version, because as we know, social media apps keep changing things all around, and to make sure we are both in the same page in this video, make sure we have the app updated. And let's quit. From here, we need to go ahead and open Instagram, of course. Make sure you are logged into the account that you want to make private. Then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to get this menu from the bottom. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy at the very top. And now scroll down until you find Account Privacy. As you can see next to it, it says Public. So go ahead and tap on Account Privacy to open it. And from here, all you need to do to set your account to private is to turn this switch or toggle on. As soon as you turn it on, you will get this confirmation window at the bottom. You need to go ahead and tap on switch to private, and just like that, your Instagram account will be switched to private. As you can see, guys, if we go ahead and quit from here, it will be saying private instead of public right here. Now, if you want to do that from the browser, let's go ahead and quit Instagram. Let's open the browser and go to instagram.com. Make sure you're logged in, and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner again to go to your profile. Wait for it to load up. This time we need to tap on the toggle icon in the top left corner. So tap on it and wait for it to load up again. Right here in settings, there is no account privacy option. So we need to look for something that says who can see your content. This one right here. So tap on who can see your content, and you find the same switch. Once you turn this on, that means your account on Instagram is set to private. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, please like and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll try to check every single comment. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one, guys.